All right. Hi, everyone. I'm Miss Niki at Smyrna Public Library.
I'm Mr. Jude.
Mr. Jude is part of our youth services department, and he is going to be our blind as a bat taste tester today. I am also going to try these Peeps today, but I bought them all, so I know all the flavors. So I'm not going to give it away, but we are happy that you guys are here with us. Who's excited to try some Peeps? Taylor, that hand went up. Okay. All right, we're going to start with number 1. Do you want to make any observations about this Peep?
I think it might be birthday cake.
Why do you say that?
Because of the confetti in it.
Okay.
That's a solid.
Or maybe it's sprinkles.
I think it's confetti cake mix.
I agree with them.
Okay. Jude agrees. So let's see.
I'm gonna rip it. Or...
Yeah.
So violent. I'm trying to rip a Peep in a bag. It's not actually happening.
Take it out and rip it.
You want me to write that down?
Okay. No, stuck to the bag. I'm so sorry.
This is really good. I just want to eat the whole thing.
Sure. I'll have the tail.
You want me to pick up the Pringles ones next week for you
This
guys?
All right. What do you think? Wait.
Birthday cake.
Okay.
Confetti mix.
It's like Peep.
It just tastes like Peep.
I haven't had a Peep in probably 5 years. So I'm assuming this is what Peep tastes like.
It is, in fact, party cake.
Okay, so they were right.
Is that you
Party
said?
cake. You guys were correct.
Oh, so it's still a birthday cake? It's
Yeah.
Birthday cake is correct still?
I
think
think
that's
so.
right.
Yeah, I'll call that correct. Would you guys eat this one again?
Yes.
Okay. We are gonna go with number 2.
I'm scared.
Oh, where is my number 2?
Why are you scared?
Is it hot?
I think it's trying to hide from me so it won't get eaten.
Can we smell them? Smell them and see what you think when you smell them.
I think it might be hot tamale.
Yeah, it's hot tamale.
I'm not tasting it.
Smell it.
Did you know a fact? You put a Peep in the microwave for a few seconds, it gets bigger.
It does. Everything except the eyes. Did you know the eyes are the last thing they put on the Peeps? They dot them with a special, it's an edible wax. So technically the eyes are a kind of wax. And if you blow up the Peep blows up, but the eyes stay the same size.
You're not a Peep expert.
I am. All right, are you gonna go ahead and try this one? Are we still sticking to, well, I guess taste it and tell me what flavor you think it is. Doug, do you have any guesses?
Not hot tamale.
Not hot tamale. What flavor?
Cherry.
Cherry's a good guess.
Strawberry.
No.
Okay.
Definitely getting big berry vibes.
Berry. Okay. Doug, do you have any guesses for us?
You put your face back.
I don't. I don't have it.
Doug, what flavor do we think it is?
Maybe berry. Berry.
I'm hearing berry.
Berry.
Why does D
Strawberry.
sound like a little kid? Or is that her little sister?
It might be. It is fruit punch.
Ah! Cherry's still a fruit punch.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think you're right.
Yeah. Would we eat this one again?
Yeah, it tastes so much like cherry.
I tasted more flavor with this one versus the birthday cake. I could like taste the sprinkles,
Yeah.
but it tasted like a regular. The Peep, the marshmallow actually had flavor to me.
Mhm.
This one I don't think Heather should try because we don't know if it's watermelon.
Does Heather not like watermelon?
He's allergic.
Heather should not try that one.
I'm sorry, Heather.
Number 3. So Taylor already gave a good guess. So it's pink on the inside. It is green on the outside.
All you have to do is smell it and you know the answer.
Oh, it's so sticky.
These ones, the green ones were very sticky. They were hard to get them out. We had to put them in the freezer so we could break them apart and serve them.
I already know the
Has
answer.
my fingerprint on it.
Oh yeah, you can smell this one.
Yeah.
It's
Alright.
watermelon.
me smell your breath. Let me smell your breath. It's not going to affect me that way.
This one is sour watermelon. It's not too sour though.
No,
I
I do
was-
taste the zing, but
I knew it.
Heather, can you smell it? I heard you say,
Yeah.
"Let me smell it."
Don't worry, I don't taste anything until after she tells me whether it tastes all right.
It tastes fine.
that's why a teen tastes.
Yeah.
So that they can.
I hope this one's root beer. I really want root beer.
Is that number 4? I guess we're ready.
Somebody else guess first.
Huh?
Let somebody else
On to
guess.
number 4.
Okay.
Smell that one. Lainey, can you smell number 4 and tell me what you think? So we talked about Peeps' eyes, but for 2 years in 1955, the first 2 years that Peeps were made, they had wings. They used to put wings on the Peeps and it made them bigger. And then they were like, nope, we got to make them smaller. So they don't put wings on Peeps anymore.
I want to see what a winged peep looks like.
I don't have a picture of it, but maybe that's something we can look up.
Yeah.
Do we eat it now?
I think it's a cinnamon.
Cinnamon?
Yes.
It does have a spicy smell to it.
I need
I
some
see that.
Good old hand sanitizer.
Yes. Go ahead, you can try them.
Oh no, that's not.
Doesn't taste cinnamon. Actually, it does.
Ginger ale. Gingery to me.
What do you think, Taylor? What does it taste like?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Lainey, what does it taste like to you?
S'mores.
D. Doug, what do you think it tastes like?
Oh,
Oh,
pretty left.
It's
well,
okay. All right. I don't know that I agree, but this one is root beer.
Whoa.
What? Yay!
Yeah.
Yay!
The sugar has like a flavor, but the peep itself just tasted like regular
yeah, it
marshmallow.
definitely had like a spice to it. But
Yeah.
yeah.
And I haven't been asking, okay, which of these have you liked so far?
Then I'm at the 4th one.
Got it.
I liked all of them actually.
Yeah.
Second one.
Number 2, you like the fruit punch one?
Watermelon was pretty good.
As soon as I'm done, I just want to eat more peeps.
You got number 5?
All right. Are we ready for number 5? We want to make any predictions about this one?
Now this,
Go ahead, say it. Just say it.
Cotton candy.
yeah, cotton candy.
Okay.
I think that's probably
Smell like it.
All right. Do you want to try number 5?
Let me try it.
I don't know how I feel about this one.
I don't like it.
Get
Oh, it tasted better at the end.
Then don't eat it.
it's cotton candy, I think.
You think it's cotton candy?
It didn't taste very good when I first like bit into it.
I
But it
don't
got
know that
better.
I don't know. I need a water break. We
I think-
remembered this time we brought water because you should always cleanse your palate between the different flavors.
Can you look at
Or else you don't know the difference.
I don't know. That one was cotton candy. I don't know that I like that one.
I like the root beer more.
Yeah, I like cotton candy, but I don't know that I like cotton candy too.
You dress like cotton candy.
Yeah. All right, are you guys ready for number 6?
Yeah.
All right, predictions about this one.
Hot tamale.
Hot tamale.
It's like I'm interested in how it smells.
hot
Let
tamale.
me see. No,
All right, Taylor and Lainey, go ahead.
Go ahead, taste it.
Out the back.
Hot tamale.
Is it hot?
It's not hot for me. It's spicy, and I love that.
Taylor's got the whole thing in his mouth.
It's just
That's why it has water.
very cinnamony.
Nope.
It's very cinnamony. So the people who make hot tamales are the same people who make Peeps. They're made by the same company, which is why they like to merge the 2 flavors.
Great.
So what is hot tamale?
It is hot tamale.
Laney loves them.
Fierce cinnamon.
Uh,
All right. Which of these flavors would you eat again?
Which one would you do again, Lena?
All of them.
Hot tamale.
Just hot tamale?
I liked root beer.
The first one and the watermelon were good.
Oh, that was D-Jug. First one in the watermelon. Hi. First one.
My favorite was the root beer too.
Okay.
I kind of liked the watermelon. That's the one that I think was the truest flavor. Like the flavor
The
matched.
most accurate.
Yes.
Yeah.
The fruit punch, not so bad either. But it was more berry than, I don't know. I just want like a whole pitcher of fruit punch when I think fruit punch.
I'm convinced that regular Peeps are party cake flavored because it's the same to me.
Did you guys hear that? Would you agree? Regular Peeps are the same flavor as party cakes. The party cake ones
Kinda.
have sprinkles.
Lainey doesn't.
No, no. Are there any that you would never eat again? Mm-mm.
Watermelon. Just kidding.
None. I want to eat
Hot
all
tamale.
of them.
D-Jug said they would not do hot tamale. I don't blame you. It
Root
was an
beer.
experience. Lainey, you don't like root beer? Fair enough. All right. Well, my last peep fact that I have that I haven't said is that there are an average of 5.5 million peeps are made every single day. And then if you're interested, I totally recommend, with a parent's permission, going online and Googling peep artwork. Peeps, the company, actually has a challenge every year, and they have a whole catalog of all these images of people who have made artwork out of peeps. Like they've made statues with the different colored peeps to do things, or they people have made peep dioramas where they like make a set and they use the peeps like people. And some of them are bunny peeps, some of them are the chick peeps. But with a parent's permission, totally go check it out if you're interested. That's how I like to experience peeps because they're not my favorite thing to eat. But thank you guys so much for joining us today. We enjoyed having you. Thank you to Jude for being our guinea pig and trying all these flavors without knowing what they were. And then next week will be Pringles. We will have 6 flavors of Pringles. Although a new flavor came out last month that I didn't buy, but I'm going to recommend if you like Pringles, go to Target and get, it is Wendy's spicy chicken flavored Pringles, and they are at Target. So if those sound good to you, get those, and maybe you can tell us what you think at the next teen taste test next
Too
week.
bad we're not going to be here the next teen taste test. We're
That's
going to be
okay.
at our other mom.
That's okay. Can you still pick up kits and try them at home?
Yeah, they have camp instead, but they'll be with us, but I'll pick it up because they have camp. So we'll try it and then see.
And so as long as this video works and next week's video works and records properly, we will post them on the RCLS YouTube page. So if you guys want to watch last week's Hershey Kisses and anybody else who's watching, you can always go to our YouTube page or email us to try and find out where it is. As long as the video works, we're happy to post them on YouTube so people can watch them later and try the snacks later. But thank you guys for hanging out with us.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.